Are you ready for Easter? Today we are talking about Easter baskets. 7 Easter baskets to be exact. I am sharing 7 themed Dollar Tree Easter baskets right now. Hey, I'm Sarah, and this is Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring projects. I have new videos every week sharing craft, food, family, and fun tutorials that you can recreate at home. If that sounds like your thing, hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss a thing. All right, today we are talking about Easter baskets. Easter baskets, specifically the ones that I am sharing with you today, are a really fun way to show somebody that you care this Easter. All of these baskets are between $5 and $10, and they're from Dollar Tree. Every single piece, from the basket to the Easter grass to the fun stuff inside, it's all from Dollar Tree. These are inexpensive and fun. You can make them for kids, grandkids, your classroom, neighbors, nieces and nephews. Whoever needs an Easter basket in your life, I have an idea for you. So take a look at these 7 ideas, and while you're watching, let me know down below in the comments which one is your favorite. And do you have a special person that you think would love one of these baskets? Let's take a look. Each of these Easter baskets is going to start with a yellow wicker basket and be filled with some of this paper Easter grass. We've also got some Dollar Tree jelly beans that I'm going to put in plastic eggs. We'll put a couple of those in each basket. And then each basket is also going to have a chocolate bunny. Can't have an Easter basket without that. First up is a sports-themed Easter basket. We have a little finger basketball game, kind of a desktop, tabletop game. I'm going to add in a Easter-themed paddle ball, a football, and then that chocolate bunny, and a few of the jelly bean-filled eggs. For the Princess Easter basket, we're going to start with a little paint set, a crown, a small puzzle in a metal tin. We're going to add that chocolate bunny as well. And then a little magic towel. These are washcloths that come all bunched up, and when you put them in the bathtub, they expand into a washcloth. We're going to cap it off with a few of those jelly bean-filled Easter eggs. For this craft Easter basket, we're going to start with a set of glitter glue and then add in this cool spiral art kit. We've got a little Easter bunny perler bead set. And then we're going to finish this basket off with a chocolate bunny and a couple of those jelly bean filled eggs. For the emoji basket, we're going to start with this coloring set. It comes with 2 posters and a set of markers. Then a nice assortment of emoji stickers, a glow-in-the-dark emoji wand, and a cute little ball. And like the other baskets, we're going to finish this off with one of those chocolate bunnies and some jelly bean filled eggs. Next up, we have a spa basket. Now in this Easter basket, we're going to put this nail grooming kit, which has a whole bunch of cool pieces in it. We're going to add a fun loofah that's got some little pom-poms in there. It's perfect for Easter. a set of lotion, body wash, and shampoo that matches the other pieces in the Easter basket, and a pretty pink nail polish. And then a coordinating chocolate Easter bunny and some jelly bean filled eggs. Now for this outdoor fun basket, I am going to use a red plastic basket in place of the wicker basket. We're going to add in some deluxe bubbles, some Easter egg shaped chalk, a good sized squirt gun, everybody loves those, and then the chocolate bunny and some jelly beans. The last basket is a superhero basket. Now I just added some Easter grass to that red plastic basket. And we're gonna start with a coloring book, add in some bubbles, a little puzzle in a metal tin, and a magic towel. This is the washcloth that you put in the bathtub and it expands into a usable washcloth. Finally, we're going to top it off with a chocolate bunny and a few more jelly beans. All right, there we go. 7 themed Dollar Tree Easter baskets that you can go create right now. Head over to Dollar Tree and take a look at what they have in your store and start putting these baskets together. If you don't have a Dollar Tree near you, there is a link down below in the description. You can order online. It'll be at your house in a matter of days. Now let me know down in the comments which one of those baskets you liked best. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Say hey down in the comments. Let me know which basket was your favorite. And if you're not already subscribed to Creative Ramblings, hit that subscribe button. I share new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Bye-bye. Want more simple, inspiring projects? Be sure to follow Creative Ramblings over on Instagram. I've got behind the scenes stories and sneak peeks of my projects up every day.